Hello guys, how are you all doing today? So today we are going to be fixing an invisible zipper using an invisible footer, and it makes it so easy. So let's dive right into the video. So first thing first, I'm just going to be changing my footer to an invisible footer to make it work so easy, and that is what I'm doing right there. Next is I'll be pinning my zipper to my fabric, right side facing right side, and that is what I'm doing. I'm done pinning it together. So what I'm going to do now, I'll take it to the sewing machine and make a straight stitch, and as I'm sewing I take out the pin so that I won't break my needle. So please do same as you're sewing straight down, just make sure you remove the pins so you won't break your needles. One side is done and you can see that it's very neat, so we're going to use the same method for the other side of the zipper, like so. So I'm done sewing it here. I'm just trying to arrange it and then I will zip up. Voila! Our invisible zipper is ready and very neat. So guys, hit on the subscribe button and also like and share my video. Also turn on your notifications so that you get notified when I post new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.